Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to increase the sound or audio volume and how you can remove background noise of any sound or video clip in CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. Like for instance, let's play this particular video. So you can see the audio here is a bit low. How can you increase the audio volume and remove the background noise if possible? What we want to do here is to go ahead and we make sure we select the soundtrack of the video, or you click on the video in the timeline. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on volume right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and turn this slider. You can increase it as much as possible. The maximum size here is 1000. So let's go ahead and check the size to be increasing. So I'm going to put it in 538. You see that the sound is changed drastically. So if I turn it down a little, so this is the previous sound. So if I increase it this way, so if I decide to make it more, I decide to increase it more to the 1000. Now for us to remove the background noise from the old sound, what we want to do here is to simply turn on this particular button right here. Noise reduce. Just like so, we have a very clean audio right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on this check mark right here. And let's play the video. You can see right here, it started recording the voice right here. Just like so, it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.